boat trips in Tenerife worth it? We'll find out. And we're back out for trip number 2. Got the boat trip and gonna see the whales, hopefully some dolphins, and apparently some turtles. I was gonna say turkeys. Turtles. And I'll give you the full honest review to Turtle Bay or whatever it was called. Whales. Did he say we could see sharks? No, whales or turtles.
Potentially see whales and dolphins.
So that's why we'll let you know if it's worth it or not. Might be depending on the day you come, I don't know, but it's a hot day. I feel like if I was a turtle, I'd come out in the hot weather and just float on top. All companies are the same, but they just said bring towels just in case. And they also said they provide food, which is maybe a couple of sandwiches or what.
Bring towels because they don't like to share towels and stuff.
Oh, they don't like to share towels. So basically, bring your own towels, bring your own waters, and maybe a bit of scran because I don't know how good the scran's going to be. Not hard to find, I'm just dog shit with directions. Well, that's where we booked it, and that's where the marina is, so can't be that far. Yeah, we're just looking for...
Gate 0, mate, you have to go to.
Yeah?
Gate 2.
Amazing, thanks so much.
Cheers, brother. I didn't understand the directions. Hola.
Hola, buenas.
Buenos noches.
Buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes. Good afternoon. Spanish is still 1 out of 10. Well done.
Wow.
Do you know what that's from? We get in, I think. Waiting for our boat to pull up. Let's have a look. And we're all aboard. From the captain lady. So far so good, a lot more chilled than yesterday.
England.
England. Ooh,
Fingers crossed.
always get out.
We
Argentina has to do it.
That's it. Everyone knows.
And I want England to win the World Cup, I swear.
You do?
Because Bellingham, you know.
My man.
Bellingham play.
Going up to some fish farms, and that's like a McDonald's for turtles and dolphins. And then later on we set sail. And meanwhile, keep your eyes open, guys, for maybe turtles they float.
Okay.
Yeah, little dolphins flying fish because we're on the Atlantic. So let's see what we can find.
And cheers. Cheers.
Cheers!
Salancha, that's what they say in Ireland.
And then all the way in the distance, we have El Hierro.
So we must have been going for about 40 minutes, all the way from that part of the island, all the way to here, and we can just look. Yeah, this is the bottom of Los
Far
Cristianos. Where? South.
Yeah.
As far south as you can go.
Yeah, that
All the
boat
way in the distance, guys, you can see the ferry coming.
is travelled all the way from
Coming
Brazil.
from Gomera, yes, go
Yeah, all the way from Brazil. It takes about 3 weeks to get here from Brazil, and that one's from Malta. That's crazy. That looks so good to jump into.
Achterbij, kapitein. Guys, if you want, we got snorkel materials. Here we go! Ja, zweem kwijt. Jij ook eentje? Float, darling.
Okay, thank you.
Lazy swimmer now?
Nah, she's a good swimmer.
Yeah, but you can be a lazy swimmer.
On. Look on my back. That's better. Yeah. Really good. What's that noise? What was that? What was that one?
Did I go really far?
I feel like your legs split. I don't know what happened. I feel like I'm gonna get eaten by sharks.
That bit was amazing.
So guys, we have some lovely sandwiches with omelets, ham and cheese, or tuna fish. Would you like to have
Oh,
one?
beautiful. I'll take a ham and cheese,
Yeah.
please, if that's okay. Sounds beautiful. That was amazing. That was well worth coming out here for, just for that. Boat trip kicks the shit out the quad bike. I'll take another beer, please.
Kiss in front of that cave and you'll be together forever and ever,
That's
apparently.
the cave you can go into if you put
Cave
the
of
kayak.
Love.
What is it?
The Cave of Love. Apparently if you kiss in front of it, you'll be together forever and ever and ever. So please don't kiss me.
We didn't kiss. Look at this water. That is awesome. And the water's so clear too. And that gaff right there is a football player. Plays for Barcelona, midfielder. For 30 million euro. 25 bedrooms, jacuzzis. What a gaff. And that's that. That was one of the best things I've ever done. That was sick.
The Atlantic Star.
The Atlantic Star. Because they were really, really accommodating as well. 100% recommend doing the boat trip with that company that we went with. Honestly, they were amazing. They were so accommodating, so friendly, so knowledgeable. They knew everything, everywhere to go. Obviously, they've been doing it for 100 years. We paid £130 for that, for the two of us, for 3 hours with drinks and food included. And they were like sandwiches of all different types. They had beers, they had cola, lemonade, wine, anything you wanted. But highly recommend. So the boat trip is a win. So definitely do the boat trips if you come out here. They're so good and they're just so much fun, and you'll see a lot of beautiful things as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Peace. Right, come on then.
I might take this off as a gift.